There's a visibility war happening online, and most small businesses are losing it. Not because they are bad at what they do, but because nobody knows they exist. But quietly, behind the scenes, a new kind of strategy is helping small business owners dominate their space, locally and even globally, without spending big on ads. In this video, I'm breaking down the step-by-step brand visibility system that the best are using right now. Let's get one thing clear. Attention is the most valuable currency online. Gary Vaynerchuk said it best: if you don't exist online, you don't exist. And Shopify's latest report backs this up. Businesses that consistently show up across platforms see up to 94% higher brand recall compared to those that don't. We studied dozens of businesses that scaled their visibility in the past 18 months. Some exploded locally, others built niche global audiences, but they all followed a surprisingly simple formula. Let me show you how it works. First, you need to look like a brand, not just business. That means your logo, colors, typography, even your tone should feel cohesive across everything you touch. Social media, email headers, packaging, in-store signages. Look at Brightland, an olive oil company. Their signature yellow and minimalist design made them instantly recognizable on Instagram, and it helped them land features on Vogue, Goop, and NYT. So simply put, what Brightland did was to pick up, or rather define their look. So what they did is they defined their look. Next point, trying to be everywhere at once is how you end up invisible. Focus builds momentum. Take Kahawa 1893. They went all in on Instagram Reels, sharing founder stories, behind the scenes content, and saw 10x engagement and a 300% increase in website traffic in under 6 months. Visibility comes from depth first, then breadth. So simply put, what Kahawa 1893 did was they chose one platform. Next, content that gets likes is nice. Content that solves problems builds trust, and trust builds visibility. One of the best examples is a plumber in Ontario, Plumbing Doctors on TikTok. He shares quick tips like 3 things never to flush or how to prevent frozen pipes. Some of his videos have over 1 million views, not because they are flashy, but because they are useful. That's the kind of content that gets shared, saved, and remembered. So what did Plumbing Doctor do? In short, what he did was he created content that solved real problems. So next up, why build an audience from scratch when you can ethically borrow one? Small brands are exploding by collaborating with local influencers, micro creators, or simply reposting customer content. 3 Ships Beauty, a skincare brand out of Toronto, exploded their visibility by working with micro influencers. No huge budgets, just product seeding, authenticity, and smart reposting. They went from 500 to over 50,000 followers in a year. So what, in short, 3 Ships Beauty did was they collaborated to generate attention. In the digital age, attention is everything. Next, being visible isn't just about content. It's also about discoverability. Make sure your brand name is claimed and consistent on Google Business, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, local directories like Yelp or Nextdoor. A great example, Maya's Cookies in San Diego. Even though most of their sales are local, they appear in Google Search, Instagram Explore, and even Pinterest, making them visible to customers before they search elsewhere. So in short, Maya's claimed. But let's not stop there. Here are a few more real-world examples. The dog father in Melbourne used TikTok to go from local groomer to global merch seller, one viral dog wash at a time. Tushy, the bidet brand, exploded using cheeky Instagram UGC, building a cult following with under 20 employees. Al Design, a fashion brand for the visually impaired, used educational LinkedIn content to land press and partnerships, boosting both reach and reputation. So here's your action plan. Define your look, choose one platform, create content that solves real problems, collaborate to generate attention, and finally, claim your name everywhere. That's the quiet part to becoming unmissable, even in noisy markets. In the next video, I'll break down the exact strategy to go from invisible to everywhere. Click here to watch that next and make your brand impossible to ignore.